For today I have an easy project. I have an old Dolby surround set laying around that I want to connect to my television, but it's dirty and the silver color doesn't match our room. So I will re-upholster it and I show you now how to do it. Very easy. Here we have the old silver set. As you can see, it doesn't really match the white. So in order to make the speakers white, I will use stockings. Just ordinary white stockings from a clothing store will work. Now drink some coffee and wait for the paint to dry. Okay, let's see. Yeah, dry enough. First I will remove this. I still need to tidy up the cables a bit, but we can already watch.